Most people think Mistplay is broken when points stop showing up. But in many cases the real issue is something small that can be fixed in minutes. The biggest mistake people make is uninstalling the game too early or changing settings without checking what caused the problem first. In this video, you'll learn exactly why Mistplay may not be crediting your points in 2026, how to fix it step by step, and what to do if your rewards still don't appear. By the end, you'll know the fastest way to get your account tracking properly again. First, check whether the game was installed directly through Mistplay. This is where most people fail. If you search the game on Google Play first and installed it manually, Mistplay often won't track your progress correctly. For example, Jake downloaded a puzzle game directly from the Play Store, played for an hour and earned nothing. After reinstalling it through the Mistplay app itself, tracking started working again. Now here's where it gets interesting. Even if you installed the game correctly, your phone settings can still block tracking. Open your Android settings and make sure app tracking permissions are enabled for Mistplay. Also disable battery optimization for the app. Many Android phones automatically restrict background activity, especially Samsung and Xiaomi devices. That stops Mistplay from updating your points in real time. But here's the problem nobody talks about. VPNs and private DNS settings can also interfere with tracking. If you use a VPN while gaming, Mistplay may flag the session as invalid or fail to record progress entirely. Turn off any VPN, restart the app, and try again. Next, check your internet connection. Mistplay needs a stable connection while the game is running. If your Wi-Fi keeps switching to mobile data, the tracking session can break. Alex had this exact issue while traveling. His points appeared several hours later, after reconnecting to stable Wi-Fi diet. In a minute, I'll show you the fastest recovery method if nothing has worked so far. Before that, make sure Mistplay is fully updated from the Play Store. Older versions sometimes stop syncing with newer Android security updates in 2026. Now for the easiest fix. Force stop both Mistplay and the game you're playing. Clear the Mistplay app cache, restart your phone, then reopen Mistplay, and launch the game from inside the app again. This refreshes the tracking session completely. If points are still missing after 24 hours, contact Mistplay support directly through the app. Include screenshots, your player ID, the game name, and the time you played. The more details you provide, the faster support can verify missing units manually. So here's the key takeaway. Install games only through Mistplay, keep permissions enabled, avoid VPNs, and always launch games from inside the app. Those 4 steps solve most tracking problems in 2026. If this video helped you fix your missing points, drop a comment below with the game that caused the issue. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tech fixes and money app guides.